Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In this channel, you will find the complete solution of many ACT, SAT, math problems, Olympiad math problem, A levels, O levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others national and international mathematical exams. In this video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem that looks tricky, but when I solve this step by step, you will find it very easy and simple. Now today's Olympiad math problem is x plus 5 power 1 by 3 minus x minus 2 power 1 by 3 equals 1. You have to find the value of x. So we will solve this question by a trick. That trick is, consider you have x plus 5 power 1 by 3 equals a. Let's suppose this. And similarly you suppose that x minus 2 power 1 by 3 equals b. Now after this we take cube on both sides. So take cube on both sides. So you will get, what will happen? X plus 5 power 1 by 3 whole cube equals a cube. And in this side you have x minus 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube equals b cube. That means a cube equals x plus 5 because this 3 and this 3 are cancelled out. Similarly, this 3 and this 3 are cancelled out and you have b cube equals x minus 2. Now we will make a step here as a cube minus b cube will be x plus 5 minus x and plus 2. That means a cube minus b cube equals x and x are cancelled out. 5 plus 2 is 7. So we will say this is equation 1. Now another step we will make. In this original equation we have supposed this is a and this is b. So that means a minus b is 1. This is from question. From question we will write this. So this is the equation 2. Now we will solve this as, consider these two equations. So a cube minus b cube, this is equals a minus b into a square then plus b square plus ab. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Another thing that we have a minus b whole square equals, this is another formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. From this we can find the value of a square plus b square. So a square plus b square will equals a minus b whole square plus 2 of ab. Now we will substitute this value inside this. So we write a cube minus b cube, that equals a minus b, and in place of a square plus b square we will write a minus b whole square and plus 2ab and then plus ab. So this will become a cube minus b cube equals a minus b into a minus b square and plus 3ab. Now we get a cube minus b cube is 7. So from 1 and 2, we get a cube minus b cube is 1 is 7. 7 equals a minus b is 1. So 1 plus 3 of ab. That means 1 plus 3 of ab. So this one is 7 equals 1 plus 3ab. That means we will get the value of this. We will write this here. We have 7 equals 1 plus 3ab. So this one is subtracted and we have 6 equals 3ab. Then AB will equals, this 3 is multiplied, it will be divided. So 6 by 3, which implies AB equals 2. Now we have A minus B equals 1. From this equation we have already supposed. Now the value of A will be 1 plus B. Substitute here. So in place of A, we will write 1 plus B. So 1 plus B into B equals 2. So we get B plus B square equals 2. Make this quadratic equation. Then we will write this as here. We get B square plus b minus 2 equals 0. Make the factors of 2 such that when they are subtracted gives 1. So b square plus 2b minus 2 equals 0. Take b as common, remaining is b plus 2, and take minus 1 common, that b plus 2 equals 0. So we have two factors, b plus 2 and b minus 1, which implies b plus 2 equals 0. And the value of b will be 1 minus 2. And then b minus 1 equals 0, which implies b equals 1. After finding the b value at b equals 1, what will be the a? A is 1 plus b, that means a is 1. And when b is minus 2, so b equals minus 2, a will equals, so when b is 1, so a is 1 plus b means a is 2. And when b is minus 2, so minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So these are the values of a and b. So we will write this here. That we have a cube equals x plus 5 and the b cube equals x minus 2. Now there are two cases. Case 1, which implies a equals 2 and b equals 1. So we have to find the value of x. So we will solve this as a cube means 2 cube equals x plus 5. So 2 cube is 8. 8 equals x plus 5. So 8 minus 5 will be 3, which gives us x equals 3. And from this we have b cube means 1 equals x minus 2. So you can see 1 plus 2 is x. So x equals 3. For the other case, we will solve this for case 2. Now case 2 is b is minus 2 and the a is also minus 1. So solve this for case 2, that a is minus 1 and b is minus 2. So what will happen? We can see a cube means minus 1 cube equals x plus 5. That means Minus 1 cube is 1. So x plus 5. So 5 minus 1, x equals 1 minus 5 minus 4. And for the other one, minus 2 cube equals x minus 2. So minus 2 cube will be minus 8. And this is minus 1. Because minus 1 cube is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 6. So this is minus 8 and x minus 2. So you have to find the value of x. So minus 8 plus 2, that means x equal minus 6. So these are the two values of x. Now we will write the final solution here, that x equals 3 and minus 6. Now we will write the solution, that solution will be x is 3 and x is minus 6. So this is the final answer. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117, because in this channel you will find the complete solution of many Olympiad math problem, ACT, SAT, A levels, O levels, IGCSE, GCSE, many international and national university mathematical exam entrance test. Keep growing, keep learning. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.